Hi lovelies, it's your girl Jennifer. So today we're going to learn how to draft a up shoulder bustier. Now to the word table, I will extend my tape by 6 inches. I'll extend it by 6 inches. So depending how deep you want it to be, you can make yours 5 inches. So from there I'll measure my vertical measurement. Then I'll measure my bust points under bust, the waistline and the full pattern. So this is the bust point 10 inches, the under bust I use 13 inches, the waistline I use 16 inches, and then the full length of the pattern. So this is basically the vertical lines that is needed there. So I go ahead to measure, label it. So this is the waistline and the full length. I've labeled it. Then the next step is to measure my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 4. Then at the bust point, I'll measure it. Mine is 8 inches, and I'm marking 4.5 inches, which is 4 inches for the measurement and half inches for the sewing allowance. So I'll mark it from the bust point to the full length of the pattern and extend it up just like so. Then at the center front, I come in by 1 inch at the center front. Then at the side front, I'm marking 2 inches for the side front. So then I'll connect it. So with my curve rule, I'll connect it to the bust point. It has to be curved so that the bustier will be visible. I'll connect it with the bust point, and also connect this to the bust point. Now that is for the that extend the leg to the full pattern of the full length of the pattern. Also extend the leg of the pattern. Then the next step is to go in by 1 inch on both sides and also connect it to the bust point like so. My rule, I'm going to connect it to the bust point. That is basically creating a upper dart here, okay, to give it that lovely shape. So I'll connect the dart together. Then I'll go ahead to create my neckline. This is totally optional. You can leave yours to be straight like this, but if you want it, remember I extend my tape by 6 inches. Then I'm coming in by half and 1 inch to make it 7 inches. That means have to be deep neckline. So I'll connect it to the that's like so. Then from there I'll measure my shoulder divided by 2, which is 7 inches. This is me trying to give it a fitting at the chest line, so that the chest line will be fitted. So from there I extend my tape to this by 6 inches like I usually do, and come down by 2 inches, which is making it 8 inches for my armhole curve. So I'll mark my bust divided by 2 and connect the 2 dots together like so. Now this is basically creating the armhole line. So from there I'll measure my horizontal measurement, my bust divided by 2 plus the dart taken. I'll mark it and down to the waistline. I'll do the same thing at the waistline and the hip line and connect it. Now this is basically all for it. So I'll go ahead to cut it. Now please, if you are watching my video for the first time, please kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so I'll be notified when next I upload video. And if you find this very helpful, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. So this is just it, and this is how it is. Okay, alright, so now we are going to quickly draft the back pattern just like we did in the front. I extend my tape rule by 6 inches and mark the vertical line, the chest line, and the waist measurement and the full length. So I'll measure it. This is my chest line. I use 8 inches, and the waist measurement 16 inches, and the full length of the pattern. Alright, so from there I'll measure my dart line. From the zipper allowance, I'll measure my dart line, which is 4 inches, and come in by half inch at the waistline and connect it to the chest line pattern like so. So I'll measure the horizontal measurement and that taken. Then I'll connect it together. So this is it, and just it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.